Well, let's see. What's my plan here? Well, plan here today is to get the air cleaner off and get the spark plug out so I can see if there's spark. And how are we going to do that? Pretty simple. It's not that hard, is it? Getting the spark plug out. I have tools here. Oh, and I'm also going to turn off the heat for the garage since it is very cold out. And I'm hoping I don't forget to turn that back on. Haha. So, spark plug. It was nice and tight, so that's good. This thing has never been run on this at all. It's never been run on that spark plug. So that is something kind of crazy. That's hilarious, actually. Okay, let us see how I can get this. Okay, that looks good. This thing is so stiff. I dropped the spark plug. There we go. Bending down at my age is a little tougher than when I used to do it when I was slightly younger. I'm looking for. There's what I'm looking for. No. Dang it. Come on. Hard to find all the tools when somebody's been in here. Kind of been through my tools. Well, we'll try this little guy. Okay. Let's see, is that wide enough? I gotta squeeze this together slightly. There we go. There we go. And yeah. Tell me if there's spark. I can't see. I don't see any spark. Did you? I didn't see any spark at all. Oh, there is spark. Okay, we got spark. We got spark, so I think this isn't going to be a terrible job after all. But I gotta get that carburetor filter off so we can take a look in there. And screwdriver. That is turning, right? Oh yeah. Okay. Is that coming off? I'm not sure. I'm not very sure on this one. Here, let's pull up on her as I'm doing this. Okay, that is not. So, we're going to have a problem there. I do know, though, before I deal with that, I do know we're going to have to take the tank off. And you know why. And that is because the tank is very, very crusty inside. Well, it looks like the old gas is kind of done with being gas. Let's see. I don't know what size these are. They look like 1/2 inch, but I don't have a 1/2 inch on me here, so 1 second. Limited on my tools at work. Says it's a 1/2 inch. We'll see if that fits. It's a 1/2 inch. And ratchet. Ratchets are over here. Keep them them separate. Okay, let's take off this tank, which I know is not in great shape, but here's the thing. I'm actually gonna get it, okay. That actually is going through. That's a head bolt. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, no, I could have just taken off. Okay, let's put that back in. I don't want to take that off. That's my fault. I didn't look. So. That is a long bolt. I think I'm gonna have to get a new line for it for gas. So yeah, I think there's a few things here we're gonna have to do. Alright. That and 2 bolts underneath there. I'm not sure there. No, they are not 1/2 inch. That's 3/8. I think I need 7/16. 7/16. So, let me move you over here a little. And yes, underneath the tank here, there's the 2 hold downs. They seem to be coming out nice and easy. Really easy. Okay, so those are coming out pretty easy, I think. At least I can hope. Oh, that's not going as planned either. 1 second. Alright, finally decided to get a little smarter and use my awesome impact. That one's done. I hope I got those. Let's see. No. 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 No? What the no is going on? Yeah, that's out. That should be out. As far as I know. Screwdriver. Oh my word, what is going on here? Why is this? No, what can be done? I see somebody might have screwed the threads up on this. There we go. Yeah, someone did. Messed the threads up at one time. Come on, you're like right there. You're right there. You are right there. My. How did that already get screwed up? Okay. Now, something I just noticed, there are screws or nuts on the other end of that. It's time to sigh. It is time to sigh. Why did it not show it a... There we go. I'll pick the nut up later. And there we go. Calm down. Everybody calm down. Hi. Everything's falling apart. That's expected when I'm working on stuff. Is it ever? Okay. Tank is out. What is going on here? What is going on here? Wow, I sure can smell that bad gas. Bad gas. Whew. That reeks. Why? No, there's no way that can be on there. Why is that stuck on there? I see there are going to be other things to fix on this. Well, at least we learned. There's a spark. Alright, I'm not in the mood to fiddle with that anymore today. I'm here alone today, so I'm listening for vehicles are coming into where I work. I think I heard one. And yeah, so that's as far as we're going to get today on this. I'm going to get the tank out. Oh, it's terrible. And the tank right here. No, actually I'm going to, I am. I'm going to get it off. I got no cutters here. Boy, I really got nothing in the garage right now. Through working on stuff in the summer, it's all disappeared. There we go. So the tank is out, and I will, it stinks. I will clean this tank out and then reinstall it, and then hopefully I can, I'll work at getting the air cleaner off, which I don't know why it's not coming off, but that's probably one of the reasons I own this now. And I didn't get very far on this. Didn't get very far at all. But thanks for watching if you stuck with it, and I'll continue to bring videos on it in the future.